They're the 5
I
pillars.
thought a hug is what all I had to offer. Now I have to show them 5 fingers.
You just have to make a fist to make a healthy meal. So your 5 fingers are your carbs, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals.
Okay.
Just
That
that
I
simple.
didn't know there were the 5 fingers. Okay.
No, I've called them the 5 fingers
Okay.
because it's very easy to teach them then that if there are 5 fingers, each meal needs to make a little fist. So if you manage to put a little bit of all these nutritious factors into your plate, you've done a good job. So I taught them that when they were very little, and now they can look at a plate and they can say, ma, 2 fingers missing, 1 finger missing. So, and they teach that. So that's when I realized that there's so much potential to teach them, because then they went about teaching their friends. They went and corrected Nani's plate and they said, Nani, what are you eating?
Yeah,
This has only 1 finger.
Get you off very quickly.
Yes.
From the diet.
Yes. So, that's the magic to teach them. And they learned it so beautifully. That's how Eat Delete Junior came into being. Because I realized that it was so simple to teach them, and they absorbed it, imbibed it, and publicized it. Again, but however, coming to body image, that's another very important area, because when you talk too much about good food and being in shape, you don't want to take them the reverse way, and they're fearing food, or they're fearing.
Now, a lot of girls at a very young age are fearing food, fearing getting fat.
Correct. So what we're trying to teach them while they're little is that food is not making them fat. Food is what's giving them the energy to play that game. Eggs are what is making them grow tall, and the hair. So we're trying to teach them that food is their fuel. However, you can't go on too much when you talk about don't eat this or you will put on weight. So you never go negative when you teach them. You always go positive and say, maybe we'll eat a little bit less of this and eat a little bit more of that. So that they don't fear the food and they don't get the image that I don't want to put on weight and weight is negative. So it's not that I need to become overweight or unhealthy. It's just skewing them more towards health and factors so that they don't fear food, so that food makes them fat. So they see mom, and mom eats rotis and rice and breads and noodles and pasta, and you don't have to fear food to look the way you want.
Who takes the nutrition decisions as far as your kids are concerned?
There haven't been very many
Who
decisions.
is telling them about the 5 fingers?
Karan.
I will have to be. Me and my mom, I think, we're pretty much the universe for my
Karan knows
children.
all the formulas and everything at the back of his hand. He knows what route he's taking.
Well, I did a lot of reading, I think, before it all happened. But eventually, I mean, you know, these daunting pieces of information I'm putting into the inner recesses of my head. So I'm going to definitely be reading because, I mean, initially Pooja was just making you delete what you eat. But now we have to like eat, delete Junior. I think that's what needs to happen from now onwards.
But you know, nowadays schools are teaching children nutrition. In fact, every time I bring out a pizza, my son says to me, Mom, I'm not eating it, it's junk food.
Ow.
And I'm like, sometimes eat it, it's okay. But that doesn't happen. So what are your thoughts on now it being a part of the syllabus, the education syllabus?
I think it's great that we're teaching our kids how to eat right. But at the same time, I think we should teach them how to eat in a balanced way. So just like we have the 5 fingers, we also have the 5 evils or the 5 demons, and it's okay to let them come in once in a while as long as you exercise.
Now I'm being told that we're a little short of time, so we're going to move from the 5 to the 3. There are 3 rounds coming up. Do you know about this, Karan? You have no clue.
I've been warned.
You've been warned. Good.
But I already want to kind of say that I accept defeat from Meera.
We want to watch you get defeated.
That's fine.
Okay? So this is how it works. There are going to be 3 rounds. It's a best of 3. Whoever wins 2 out of the 3 rounds gets the grand prize. We're going to take you where you take other people, right? Karan?
Whatever that means.
Whatever that means. And it's going to start with a blind test.
Oh, God.
So you're going to be blindfolded, and 4 baby foods are going to go into your mouth. And you have to guess what they are. So it's a blind test, and then Meera, it's going to be your turn.
I'm terrible at this, I want to tell you.
Let's
I've
just
never
see.
been
Let's just see.
I might surprise myself.
Karan, you can't say that you've never been blindfolded.
Okay, I don't know if I signed up for this, but hey, what the hell. No, I'm fine.
It's fine. You're okay?
Yeah. Isn't Meera getting blindfolded as well?
Yeah, but hers is the second round, right?
This seems like 50 Shades of Grey to me. I don't know. I thought it was a children's book. What's happening here?
Karan, it's only me.
I know, but still, I can fantasize, Mandira.
Okay.
Is something going into my mouth now?
Yes, in a
Okay.
minute.
Yeah?
Easy.
Can I have one more of it?
I made it well?
Yeah. I know this.
Come on.
It's
you
a
can do this.
fruit. Oh. It's a fruit. Why don't I know this? I'm going blank. I know it's a fruit. You want to tell me it's apple? Okay. Banana.
Well, you're not. Okay, fine. That was right, but you're not supposed to help. You can't say A for
I
apple.
thought it was you mix the two together.
All right. You get one right. Somebody's keeping score, I hope.
Apple and banana.
It's apple banana mash.
Okay. No one told you I'm allergic to banana, right? I break into hives. But that's fine.
It's a lie. Yummy.
Ugh. No. What is this? This I don't know because I don't like.
Okay, he doesn't like it. He doesn't know. So
What is this? What is it?
it was mashed sweet potato.
Very
Very good for you.
No, no.
Moving on to number 3.
Ah.
Now you gotta like this.
You're going to like this one.
This is yogurt, is it? No. What is it?
Okay.
Oh, this is little santra it had in it.
No, sorry, you
No,
got this
shit.
wrong as well.
What is it?
That was avocado.
This is avocado.
Yes. And here we are with the last
Can
one.
I judge the cooking?
It's just mashed avocado.
Okay, now.
This is the last one. Number 4.
It's like porridge or something. What is it?
Oh, sorry. You got that right.
Is it right?
So you got 2 wrong, 2 right. You can take the blindfold
Meera just
off.
get 2 wrong, yeah. I don't like to lose.
You can take the blindfold.
Can I?
Yes. Meera, your turn. Would you want me to?
She'll get all 4 right. I know it.
What's the bribe, Karan, for me to get the 2 wrong?
Oh. I already gave you the hamper, Meera. What more can I offer you?
All right. Number 1. Open your mouth.
Tastes really good, but
It's not easy.
Can I give you another bite?
No, you can't give a hint.
yeah, I can have another bite.
Another bite.
Even I don't know what it is.
Come
Give
on.
me this bite.
Ah.
It's yum. I just can't figure out
Sorry,
what it is.
that's
I
not the
don't know.
correct
I don't know what
answer,
it is.
though.
Can you put
It's
that
delicious,
in my mouth?
Pooja. Give me 1
I don't
point.
know what it is.
Okay, you don't know what it is.
It's is it like it's a fruit?
Oh, I think, is it, can I say?
No,
let her
it's
guess.
my turn.
She gets it wrong, you get a go.
It's like papaya,
Should I make you smell
No,
it?
wrong.
Smell.
melon.
No.
What is
Okay.
it?
Karan, try.
Is it like apricot?
No.
Everybody got it wrong. It's kiwi. It's kiwi mango mash.
Okay, listen. Kiwi and mango. Who's gonna guess?
Okay.
Mango, you can guess.
Yeah, but it's with kiwi.
Oh, it's kiwi and mango?
Yeah.
Nah, hello. Yeah.
Next one. You got it really difficult. You've made it quite hard for these people. Yes.
Listen, Pooja, I think you're giving me the harder ones.
Very good. Suffer now.
Okay, how about this? It's got 2 ingredients. You get
Like
one of them right.
veggies.
Yes.
Does it have veggies?
Yes.
And some kind of carb, like oats?
No.
Wrong. Press that red thing. Press, she got it wrong.
I know. Try and guess
Veggies and
what vegetable?
carrot
Okay, come on.
and
We have to give it to her.
yeah, carrot.
It
Bye.
It's carrot and beetroot. Beetroot
Carrot
is
and
a difficult
beetroot.
taste to actually
Yeah.
decipher when you're blindfolded or otherwise. Okay, third one.